Block 2 in our sampler quilt is going to be the 9 patch, which is the simplest form of the 3x3. It gets its interest because we've got 4 corners and a centre in one fabric and the 4 contrast in a second fabric. Here's my straight edge, and we're going to turn this all the way round rather than pick up the fabric. The reason I want you to get into that habit is that when you get more proficient, you're going to have layers of fabric, because that's the beauty of the rotary cutter. It cuts down through the fabric, it doesn't distort the fabric, so all the layers are going to be perfectly accurate. Now, for those of you who have mastered that or would like to make another pattern, the one in the quilt behind me actually has these units split, and they're split into 4.